Welcome to this tutorial on managing Zelle free service, a peer-to-peer payment platform that allows you to send and receive money directly from your bank account. To get started, you need to have a bank account in the United States and a mobile device with the Zelle app or access to online banking. First, you need to enroll in Zelle through your bank or credit union's website or mobile app. If your bank does not offer Zelle, you can still use the Zelle app to send and receive money, but you will need to link your debit card to the app. Once you have enrolled, you can start sending money to friends, family, or anyone you trust to send money. Simply select the recipient's email address or mobile number, enter the amount you want to send, and add an optional note. Review the transaction details and confirm the payment. Receiving money is just as easy. When someone sends you money through Zelle, the funds are typically available in your account within minutes. You can also request money from others by selecting their email address or mobile number and entering the amount you are requesting. To manage your Zelle account, you can view your transaction history, edit your profile information, and adjust your account settings. You can also cancel or stop a payment if it has not been processed yet. Best practices for using Zelle include only sending money to people you trust, verifying the recipient's information before sending a payment, and keeping your mobile device and account information secure. In conclusion, managing Zelle free service is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely send and receive money using Zelle. Remember to always prioritize security and only use Zelle with trusted individuals to avoid any potential scams or issues.